हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। आई थिंक अच्छे होगे। अगर आप AMU जामिया की एंट्रेंस की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो आप सही चैनल पे आए हैं। दोस्तों, आज का पहला क्वेश्चन आता है वो ये, हु हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड बाय द बोर्ड ऑफ कंट्रोल फॉर क्रिकेट इन इंडिया एज अ चेयरमैन ऑफ द वुमेन नेशनल सिलेक्शन पैनल। सो द राइट आंसर इज नीतू डाविड। आगे चलते हैं। With which country India has established an air bubble arrangement? So the right answer is Kenya and Bhutan. Which corporation has been launched by the Southeastern Railway to boost the security of women passenger in trains during the entire journey? So the right answer is Operation My Saheli. Okay, आगे चलते हैं। Who has been appointed as a brand ambassador of Bengal Peerless Housing? So the right answer is Saurav Ganguly. I'm really sorry, that is Saurav Ganguly. आगे चलते हैं। Alyssa Harry broke the MS Dhoni 91 wicket keeping this missile record in the international T20 cricket. She is from which country? तो यह है ऑस्ट्रेलिया से। आगे चलते हैं। Which day is observed as an international day of older person? So the right answer is 1st of October. आगे चलते हैं। Who took part in the third G20 Sherpas virtual meeting that was held under the Saudi Arabia presidency? So the right answer is Suresh Prabhu. आगे चलते हैं। Which bank has unveiled its IBE note facility aimed at providing a paperless working environment? So the right answer is Indian Bank. आगे चलते हैं। RBI has deferred the implementation of the regulation under the Basel III capital till. So the right answer is 1st April 2021. आगे चलते हैं। What is the name of the surface-to-surface supersonic cruise missile that has been successfully fired by DRDO from Balasuri in Odisha? So the right answer is Marabos. आगे चलते हैं। तमिलनाडु and Arunachal Pradesh have been integrated with the national profitability cluster of state and UT under one nation card. How many states are integrated with this scheme? तो इसमें अब तक 28 स्टेट जो हैं यहाँ पर integrated हो गए हैं, आ गए हैं। आगे चलते हैं। According to the latest data released by the National Crime Record Bureau, which state is ranked first in the crimes against women? This is a very very important question. So the right answer is New Delhi. आगे चलते हैं। Which international organization has stopped its operation in India? So यह है Amnesty International। ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं। Who has been appointed by the Board of Control for Cricket in India as the chairman of the Women National Selection Panel? So the right answer is Neetu David. That was a repeated question, right? In which country India will build a 100-bedded cancer hospital and 2,200 sister cricket stadium under the USD 800 million line of credit? So the right answer is Maldives. आगे चलते हैं। Which bank has approved USD 241 million loan for Mumbai Metro and the USD 500 million for the Delhi Ghaziabad Metro Region Rapid Transit System project? So the right answer is NDB. आगे चलते हैं। India Coast Guard fast patrol vessel ICGS Kankalata Bureau has been commissioned in which city? So यह है कोलकाता में। आगे चलते हैं। Which day is observed as an International Day of Non-Violence? So the right answer is 2 October. Right. आगे चलते हैं। Who has received UNDP's Special Humanitarian Action Award? So the right answer is Sonu Sood. आगे चलते हैं। With which country नीति आयोग signed a statement of intent to support the decarbonization and energy transition agency for accommodation, cleanness and more energy? So the right answer is Netherlands. आगे चलते हैं। Who has launched India's largest handicraft and organized product marketplace, Tribes India e-marketplace? So the right answer is Arjun Munda. आगे चलते हैं। Which bank has signed a memorandum of the understanding with MOU and the Bombay Stock Exchange to empower the SME segment? So the right answer is Yes Bank ने साइन किया है MOU। आगे चलते हैं। Which state government has launched the Patshri Abhijan, a road repair scheme? So the right answer is West Bengal. आगे चलते हैं। Who has been appointed by the Board of Control for Cricket in India as the chairman of the Women National Selection Panel? So the right answer is Neetu David. And the last question of today's is, as we discussed 25 question on each session, so this is our last question. The second edition of the bilateral exercise बोंगा सागर conducted in North Bay of Bengal. It exercise of India which country, कौन सी कंट्री के साथ है? ये बांग्लादेश के साथ है. आई होप आज की वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो. अगर आपको आज की वीडियो हमारी अच्छी लगी है तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल को, और जो भी प्रॉब्लम है आप बेझिझक हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक यू फॉर टुडे.